Okay, use graphical evidence and known area effects to find the integral, or the summation between 1 and 0 of f of x equals 1 minus x squared, the square root of 1 minus x squared dx. So, looking at this, it actually can be made a lot simpler. If we say write down y equals the square root of 1 minus x squared, we square both sides, well, y squared equals 1 minus x squared. If we move the x squared over here to add x squared to both sides, so x squared plus y squared equals 1. Now hopefully you know that is a very simple equation of a circle. So this is the equation of circle with the centre 0, 0 and radius 1, because so it's basically, say we had x squared plus y squared equals 16, that would be a circle with the centre 0, 0 and a radius of root 16, which is 4. X squared plus y squared equals 9, centre 0, 0, radius 3, and so on. So we have a circle, centre 0, 0, radius 1, so there's your circle. Like that, centred at the origin, so the centre's right in there. The radius is 1, so that point must be 1. So this is, you should recognise now, this is the unit circle. Minus 1, like that. Now we are interested in the sum between 1 and 0 of this. But the thing to be careful of is the initial thing, y, or is f of x, was a square root of 1 minus x squared, so we should not be considering positive and negative outputs. So basically the initial thing, we're between 0 and 1, you're only actually interested in this quarter circle here, so we want this as the function. And they are the bars that we're in the strips, so effectively this, yes, whilst it is part of x squared plus y squared equals 1, it is not part of y equals square root of 1 minus x squared. If you wanted it to be, you'd need something like y equals plus or minus square root 1 minus x squared, which would not be a function. So, to find the integral between 1 and 0, or the summation of all these little rectangles of root 1 minus x squared, well, it is the area of the semicircle with radius 1. So it equals a quarter times pi times the radius 1 squared. Well, 1 squared is 1. So that is a quarter pi, or pi by 4 units squared.